A busy, stressful, long month.
I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new.
Hey everybody, and welcome to it. Welcome to my July reset. I can't believe we are over halfway through the year now. Also, this outfit that I'm wearing today is super cute. It's from Walmart. They're sponsoring this video, so thank you, Walmart. I have a super cute summer clothing haul coming later in this video, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I would like to make a latte to drink while we are doing some cleaning. I think we'll start with dishes and running some loads of laundry, and then we'll just go ahead and get started with our usual reset that we do each month. If you're new, welcome, first off. But we usually will clean up the house and then set goals for the next month and check in on progress on what we're doing, then make calendars and kind of just prepare to have a great month ahead. So let's go ahead and make a latte.
Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you, baby.
Okay, as I mentioned earlier, this video today is sponsored by Walmart, so thanks again, Walmart, for sponsoring this whole outfit that I've been wearing. All video is from there. I got everything I'm about to show you online on walmart.com, and I'm obsessed. It's the actual perfect summer clothing haul. So first up, obviously, this cute, adorable blue striped set. I personally love these, especially for in the summer. I love to wear it as a cover-up over like a swimsuit for lake days, but also just wearing around the house because it's so lightweight and airy and comfy. Next is this pajama set, which they are separate pieces. So here's the top. I love the print. It's so dainty and cute. There's cute bows. But then the skirt is where it really got me, and I had to add it to the cart immediately because look at the ruffles. I mean, come on. I will not lie. I have worn this like 3 nights of the week this week so far because I'm literally obsessed with this whole outfit together. It's so cute and perfect for a summer sleepover. I don't know about you guys, but I love a cute sundress in the summer. Just, they're so, again, lightweight, not too much fabric, and obviously nice for the heat in the summer. So this one is so cute. I love the neckline and the pattern. The lemons, come on, adorable. And then, I mean, see that right there? There's pockets. So yeah, any dress with pockets is a winner in my book. And this one just so happens to be nice and affordable on Walmart. So everything that I am showing you is going to be linked below, so you guys can shop any of these if you like any of it as we go. I just love that Walmart has on trend great prices for everything. Like, how cute are these lightweight pants? Again, these are just perfect for around a campfire if it's getting cold at night and you need something light to still throw on. I've been loving stripes for summer, and this color is so cute, but paired with this adorable tank top is so cute. I love the bow. I love that it's just the cute, perfect summer top. And I personally just feel like Walmart is so underrated. They have so many stylish, trendy brands that they offer. Like, this outfit is so cute together. I'm obsessed. Next, I have this really cute swimsuit from the Hot Girl Summer collection by Megan Thee Stallion. I feel like I've been seeing this collection all over on social media, and I am excited to have a piece of my own. I think these little butterfly details are so cute. So here is the top that I have, but then we of course have some bottoms that match with the butterflies. I just love this color. I don't have anything like it, and it is an exclusive limited time launch, so I'm excited to have that. And to go with that, I thought that this colorful cover up was literally so cute. It's woven so you can see the swimsuit through it as your cover up, and I just cannot wait to wear this at the lake. It's perfect. All right, I have another beautiful dress here. I am obsessed with the pattern on this. Like seriously, could you believe that this is on Walmart? Like I'm stunned. It's so stunning, so beautiful. And lastly for clothes, I have this stunning pink gingham set. I could not believe the price on this. It was so affordable. I got so many compliments when I wore it, and people were like, where is that from? And I got to tell them, you wouldn't believe it's on Walmart, and I told them a price, and everybody was just shocked. And lastly, I have these cute shoes. I love this woven texture, the gold accent. It'll complement some of the bags that I have super well, and they're so perfect for my outfits here. So again, if you'd like to shop anything and twin with me, I will have all this linked down below. Thanks again, Walmart, for sponsoring. Okay, next up on the list is dishes, which thankfully Keegan did all of the like big dishes that we had lining up here. We had a lot. He did those all last night, so all I need to do is unload the dishwasher and dishes will be done, and we can check that off, so let's do it.
Heavy breathing and heavy heart. I long to see you when the day is done. I wanna rest and lay in your sun.
For some reason, our dishwasher doesn't ever want to work correctly, so we always end up having to hand wash half of the loads every time. I don't know why I even try. We like deep cleaned the whole dishwasher back literally a few months ago, and I thought it solved our problem, but it didn't. It's still like everything's coming out mostly dirty. Like that's gross. Gross. All right, let's wash these. Hello! It is the next day, and I am currently out in my office working on the monthly wallpaper. So if you don't know, each month I make a wallpaper and put it on my website for you guys to enjoy for your laptop background needs. So I have that one, and then I also have another version that's like a collage as usual, but just wanted to show you a little sneak peek of what I did. So we can check that off the list because I got that done, so that's great. But now I thought it would be great to go through our June goals, check off what we made, and then set some goals for July. So this is one of my favorite things to do each month. I love to have like actual ways to keep track of what I'm doing each month and how I'm progressing into my 2025 goals. So without further ado, gotta grab my pens. Okay, let's use this blue to check things off. Okay, first I wanted to hit 450,000 subscribers, which honestly I am filming this a little earlier than I usually do, so at this point I have not hit it, but there's still a few days left where I could. So by the time this goes live, you guys have to let me know in the comments if we're there, and if not, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Wanted to hit 95K followers on IG, which I did, so exciting. Then I had a few income goals. Let's check and see if I made them. Maybe? One of them was for the ads. Oh yeah, okay. Ads that are like on my videos and stuff. So I did not post as much as I wanted to this month, and I was scared that that was gonna not make it, but I did, so that's exciting. I wanted to read 5 books, and I know I have like been slacking at keeping my account updated. Darn, I only got 3, so can't check that one off. I felt like since it's summertime, I would be reading a bunch. I feel like that's always when I read the most growing up, but obviously that's because school was out, so I had free summer, so it's not the same. This is actually like my busiest month of the year so far, which is insane. I had weddings every weekend of the month, so I guess it makes sense that I did not get them read, but no wait, I got 4. Okay, I was close. Okay, I did hit my other income goal, which I shot really high, and I'm really proud of myself. I really tried to not say no to any opportunities that came across my desk and push myself really extra hard to keep like working towards that goal, and I'm actually very proud of myself for hitting that, and it's an insane month for me overall, so I'm just proud of myself for working extra hard in June. I wanted to start my gardens, which I did. I started my chaos garden and I started my other garden boxes out there. Wanted to post about all 4 of my weddings that I've done on my wedding account, which I did. Number 8 goal was to fully develop my frontal lobe. Honestly, I don't really feel that much different. Maybe I feel like I have matured in a few aspects. I turned 25 this month, which is why I wrote that. I wanted to spend time in the sun and get tan. I have tried to make that an effort. I put the UV index on my watch, so whenever I see that it's high, I try to go work out in the sun. Wanted to post informative content about the event that happened earlier this month, which I feel like I did. I covered it well. Wanted to spend quality time with friends and family, which I'll be so honest, I don't think I'm gonna let myself check this off. I feel like for me, it's either one thing or the other. It's like working really hard or friends and family. And I've had to like skip a ton of family and friend events and stuff because I had deadlines and things with work. We did like go to a whole wedding with friends, and that was like a fun destination, and that was definitely like such great friend time, but I was also like working the whole time. So I don't know if I could check it off as quality time because I was like stressed the entire time. Oh wow, okay. I wanted to post more on another social media and I did not even post once, so that's cool. And then I also wanted to use my journal, like my gratitude journal every morning, and I don't think I picked that up once either. That's unfortunate. Then I also wanted to live stream once a week, and I was going so well. And then one week I had no time before we left for that wedding, and I was like, well, it's toast. My goal is toast now because I missed 1 week. So the last like 4 goals I'm not checking off. That's where we're ending June, and honestly, I'm happy with it. I'm proud of us. Great birthday month, great income month. And now I'm ready for July. So let's make some goals for July. Okay, July goals are here, and I honestly didn't make too many just because June was such a busy, stressful, long month, and I think July, I just need to relax and take a break. So here are my goals for July. I have 452,000 subscribers, read 5 books. I kept it at 5 instead of lowering it because I feel like I'm going on a few vacations in July, and so I feel like I'll have time to actually get to read, hopefully, when I'm in a cabin in Tennessee. So we'll see. I want to live stream 3 times. So instead of saying like once a week, I said maybe just like 3 times. I give myself a time like that. Have a super fun pond party. So the last 3 years, actually, I've had a pond party out at my grandparents' pond attached to my parents' house where we all like go and we camp out overnight, and it's so fun. And this year we are trying to do like a whole weekend thing and make it like a big summer birthday bash of all the people in our friend group with summer birthdays. So that's on the list. I just want to have fun. I want it to be a good time, hopefully a safe time. Hopefully the weather's great. I want to start my website glow up process. So I'm going to, I think, be talking with a professional on figuring out my personal brand and my website and just giving it all a nice makeover. So I'm excited. I had this on my goals list since like January, and I think this is finally the month. I'm going to take it seriously and hopefully get it done. And going off of that, I also want to launch my new wedding website. I did get my wedding business website all redone. I need to like tweak a few last things and add some extra text, but it'll be launching soon. I'm actually doing a photo shoot tomorrow morning for it, so I need to probably do that tonight, but actually launch it in July. So that's exciting. And then I wrote short form summer just because I really need to focus back on short form and getting content out. So that's good content quality for you guys. And then lastly, as I mentioned, I wrote rest and relax just because I am tired and I want a break and I want sun. I want to go to the lake. I want to enjoy the summer. So those are my July goals, and I'm excited to see what ones we hit. Okay, also while we're out here getting things done, it is time for a finance check. So each month as part of this little reset, we go in and we pay off our credit cards because we try to get that done every month. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, always so painful, but so like relieving once you get all those payments done. This month we also have our car insurance, so that's gonna be fun. I need to get online and do that some other time, but okay. Bills and credit cards are paid. Honestly, I am really not interested in carpet cleaning today, so I'm just gonna ignore that on our to-do list. Along with updating my tax books and stuff, I'm just gonna do that later off camera anyways. But what we will do is water the flowers outside. It is so hot here in Indiana this week. It's like over 90s, which I know it's much hotter in other places, but it's pretty warm here for us, and my flowers are suffering, so let's go water them. Okay, I'm feeling so refreshed and ready for July. Still can't believe it's already July. Actually insane. But if you made it to this point in the video, comment the fireworks emoji because obviously we'll be seeing some fireworks this month. Also, don't forget this outfit and everything I showed in the haul are all linked below, all on Walmart. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!